Splash oils. We produce cold press oils through traditional process using our ancestral legacy. We use high quality raw materials which are cultivated in our own farms. In case where we do not have access for specific raw materials, we procure them from other farmers or suppliers, ensuring high quality. Our oil extraction process exclusively involves slow batch process. Every raw material is meticulously cleaned, graded and sorted. Our oil is crafted in small batches, employing a deliberate slow-paced approach that enhances its overall quality. Each type of oilseed undergoes cold pressing in a dedicated machine, guaranteeing purity and integrity. Unlike some other cold-pressed oil companies that resort to lower-grade materials, we use separate machines for every raw material, ensuring retention of aroma and natural flavor. Furthermore, our oils are entirely natural, devoid of any additives or chemicals. They undergo minimal filtering, resulting in a raw form of oil. There might be some sedimentation and cloudiness in the bottle, which is quite natural, indicating a higher degree of naturality and purity. Byproduct of our cold pressed oils can be used as animal feed and available with us. Our cold press oil unit is run by a female farmer. We believe our customers as our marketing partners and appreciate your trust with continuous support to our farmers. We produce coconut oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, mustard oil, white sesame oil, black sesame oil, and castor oil. Our state-of-art manufacturing facility is situated in the outskirts of Hyderabad near Bibinagar. We also have two retail units, one at Hyderabad to Warangal Highway, Bibinagar Tollgate, and other at Uppal Depot. We do take online orders and supply our material to other parts of the country. Feel free to place your orders directly through WhatsApp at 63095 61007 or 63095 11007. We also do custom packing and co-packing for bulk orders. Do visit or contact us for any clarity.